In the following example, we are going to use some of the fundamental trigonometric identities to simplify the expression. So, what I'm looking at here is I have cosine squared over sine squared plus cosecant theta times sine theta. Alright, so let's take a look first at this one. Cosine squared, sine squared. Let me zoom in over here. I know cosine over sine is the cotangent. So let's write that as the cotangent. Cotangent squared of theta. That'll make that easier. Now cosecant. I know that from the reciprocal identities, and I'm going to zoom in over here. That's 1 over the sine. So I'm going to write this one as 1 over the sine of theta times the sine of theta. Okay, so when we look at that right there, we have cotangent squared plus 1 over sine theta times sine theta, and then the sine thetas cancel, leaving us with something really simple. The cotangent squared of theta plus 1. Well, when you look at it, when you really look at it and you now zoom in on the Pythagorean identities, well, what's 1 plus the cotangent squared? It is the cosecant squared. So this right here boils down to just being the cosecant squared of theta. So there's our answer for this problem. Really quite simple, but look at all the identities that we had to use to get to this point. So this is the whole purpose. You start off with something that looks like this, and it boils down to something that looks just like this. Okay, so really great applications of the fundamental identities. So hopefully this video was helpful, and if it was, be sure to like and subscribe.